Hi, my name is Maddie Borland, and today we're going to be teaching you all the steps to the dance Traveling Four Corners. Traveling Four Corners is a 20-count circular dance. We're going to start by teaching it to you on a line and then show you what it looks like in a circle. We're going to go ahead and start with 3 heel touches, starting with our left foot, left heel, right heel, left heel, followed with a left toe touch. So one more time, left heel, toe touch, and then we're going to go out for a left grapevine. Out, behind, out, together. One more time, starting with our heel touch, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, left toe, left. Awesome! Now we're going to go ahead and teach you the next 8 counts to the dance. We're going to go ahead and start with a grapevine to the right, out, behind, out, and then we're going to do a half hitch, and then we're going to grapevine back to the left, out, behind, out, with a half turn right scuff. So going ahead and doing that again, starting with a grapevine to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, behind, out, hitch, left, behind, out, scuff. Now we're going to go ahead and do both 8 counts together. 5, 6, 7, 8, left heel, toe, grapevine left, grapevine right, hitch, left, scuff. We only have 4 counts left. So for the final 4, we're going to go ahead and do a jazz box, touch. So we're still weighted on that right foot when we finished. That's the whole dance. Now let's go ahead and do the whole thing through. 5, 6, 7, 8, left heel, left toe, grapevine, grapevine, hitch, grapevine, scuff, jazz box, touch. That's the end of the dance. Now that we've shown you what it looks like in a line, this dance is traditionally done in a circle with the girls on the outside facing in and the guys on the inside facing out. Even though you have 2 circles going, the steps are exactly the same. We're going to go ahead and show you what it looks like to do it in a circle. The guys are going to come and help us with the inside, and we're going to go ahead and do it on the outside. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, 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 touch, left, grapevine right, hitch, left, scuff, jazz box, heel, 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 touch, left, right, hitch, left, scuff, jazz box, heel, 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 left, right, hitch, left, scuff, heel, 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 touch, left, right, hitch, left, scuff, jazz box, heel, 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 touch, left, right, hitch, left, scuff, jazz box, heel, 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 touch, left, right, hitch, left. Awesome! Thank you all so much for joining us. You can check out our line dancing playlist for some more fun and instructional videos.